let's go here. So you go into your command prompt. You cd into desktop. cd into desktop. In desktop, you're going to make directory. You make directory. Let's call it what should we name it? Let's call it YouTube portfolio. YouTube port. What's happening? Oh, sorry. mkdir. Sorry, YouTube port. Okay, then when we do YouTube port, then we cd into YouTube. Cd into YouTube port. Then we open this. We open this in VS Code. You just type in CODE, then a space, then full stop, and you can open it in VS Code. Yep. The code opens up in VS Code. So in VS Code, we are going to be using Vite. We'll be using Vite. You can do Ctrl J to bring out the terminal, and Ctrl B. Sorry. Okay. Ctrl J to bring out the terminal. Then you are going to do npm create Vite at latest. I think it's coming up. It's loading. It'll take some time, but when it come out. So let's give it our project name. Let's call it folio. What's folio? Then we select React. You use your drop down arrow, then select React. And you are using JavaScript and not TypeScript, so it's beginner friendly for everyone. Then you can see the into port. How I did this was, since instead of writing the whole portfolio, you can just write the first letter P, then press your tab key, then press enter. Okay, so you can run npm install to install the node packages inside of it. Installation is done. So right now we are going to run it npm run dev, since it's Vite we are using. Okay.